Hello everybody. Well, I was going to do an unboxing, but then I decided not to. I figured I'd just talk about it. Everybody says just get with the point. So it's almost riding season, and I've got a 94 Yamaha Virago 750. Did a video or two on it, getting it up and going, and I've determined that the clutch is slipping when you get on it. It's fine at low speeds, but when you crack open the throttle, she likes to slip. So that's what I've got here. I couldn't decide what clutch I wanted to get. Some people recommend Hinson, Barnett, KG. Some people just say just get an El Cheapo, throw it in there because bikes aren't worth that much. So I couldn't get definitive answers from Hinson. Barnett and Hinson were both $200 for a clutch, and for a clutch for fibers and steels and springs. I wasn't going to pay that. KG, they're expensive too, but this was a new old stock one I picked up on eBay. And from my research, I believe the YZ250 and the XV700s take the same clutch. So this is the KG clutch factory. Then this here is the cheap Chinese Caltric. This whole kit with fibers, steels, and springs was like $50. This I picked up new old stock for about $40. I picked up some heavy duty EBC springs, which people on the groups recommend for this bike. And the Chinese one comes with a gasket. People say don't use this gasket. Go to this company here, which I haven't even opened this up. I've had this for a while. This was shipped September 2024 from Emerald Gaskets. So it's been a while. I'll open it up now. Oh yeah, that looks like a real gasket. So I'll probably do a video on changing the clutch. I just got to make room in the shop here to bring the bike in. I really don't want to do it in the driveway, but if I have to do it in the driveway, I will do it in the driveway. But these gaskets here from Emerald Gaskets, they come highly recommended from everybody. So they're made in Oregon, so I will give that company a shout out. But I might try both of these clutch packs. I was trying to, this one here has a 3mm thick steel. According to the parts manual, depending on what pressure plate and hub I have in the clutch, it might require a 3mm thick steel to get the stack height right. So I'll play with it. I'll check it out, but I think I'm just going to run initially the KG clutch factory here. It has some good high reviews, and I kind of stumbled across it on eBay. It was new old stock, so I don't mind supporting an individual to get a decent deal. So as they say, the bikes, they're not worth that much. So I don't want to spend, a couple $100 on a clutch. But I'm still a little over $100 here. So, but we will catch y'all later with an update. Next update will probably be me taking the bike apart. They're not that difficult to change the clutches, so we'll catch y'all later.